Sup guys, so in this video we'll look into the comparison operators in Python. Okay, so comparison means you need two entities to check whether if one is smaller than the other or one is bigger than the other or something like that. What are the comparison operators we have in Python? We have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than equal to, less than equal to, and we have equal to. We also have something called as not equal to. Yep. So we shall look into how these symbols operators are used in Python. Alright, so let us say I have a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10. Now let us check if a is greater than b. A greater than b. What do you think will be the result? The result of a comparison operation is always a Boolean value, which is either true or false, right? So a greater than b will be what? Since a is 5 and b is 10, which means 5 is not greater than 10, it should return false. Yes. A is less than b, true. A greater than or equal to b, which is again false. A less than or equal to b, true. Now what I'll say is, I'll say a is equal to 10 again. So now what do you think will be the result for this? A greater than or equal to b. A is 10 and b is also 10. 10 is not greater than but definitely equal to b, so this should return true. Now a less than or equal to b. Again, 10 is not less than 10 but is definitely equal to 10. True. Right. Now a not equal to b. 10 is not equal to 10. We are checking. We are asking the interpreter. It should return 10 is equal to 10, which means this is false. Right. Now I'll say a is equal to 10.0. Right. Now a not equal to b. What do you think will be the result? 10.0 is not equal to 10. False. Okay. Now yes, we are done with greater than, less than, and all these symbols. Finally, we can check if a is equal to b. 10.0 is equal to 10. Since it is saying that 10.0 is not equal to 10 is false, then 10.0 is equal to 10, right? So they should return true. Yes. Apart from numbers, what we can use for comparisons? We can also use strings for comparisons, but as one would have already guessed, only we can check if a particular given string is equal to another string or not, because you cannot compare if a string is smaller than the other or bigger than the other, right? So yeah, I'll say a is equal to Gautam and b is equal to Gautam. Observe, in a, G is capital in Gautam, and in variable b, G is lowercase in Gautam, right? Now we'll check if a is equal to b. False, because whenever you are comparing two strings, even the case should match. Alright, so now I'll say b is equal to so a is equal to b, true. Yes, that is it for comparison operators. Next, in the next video, we'll be looking into logical operators. Until then, take care. Thank you.